don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi guys, good morning. I'm Kavita and welcome to Tots and Moms. Today let's learn how to make paneer blocks. These are marinated and sauteed blocks, and paneer as such is rich in fat and rich in protein, and these are the ones which make a great nourishing food for little ones, right? So let's dive right in and see how to make paneer blocks for babies. I'm taking a bowl and adding paneer cubes here, which I have chopped just like this. Keep it separated so that it helps every cube get coated. Next I'm adding turmeric powder, followed by pepper powder. You can even add cumin powder at this point of time, and salt for kids above 1 year. Now I'm adding hung curd or thick curd you can add. The measurement of all the ingredients is given in the blog. In the description box there's a link. Please have a look at that. You can even check out our other recipes on our blog. Mix or toss till it's well coated. When you mix it, ensure that you don't break out the paneer. Once done, allow it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes by closing a plate. We later take a pan and add oil. Allow it to heat up a bit, and then this marinated paneer I'm adding in here. Just set it until every paneer is coated with oil at one side at least. We'll shallow fry this. This may take about 2 to 3 minutes at one side until it turns golden brown, just like this. Flip and cook on both the sides. It may take about another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side, and once done you can see these yummy looking savory paneer blocks which you can serve warm to your baby. Hope you like this recipe. This was a simple yet yummy one. I liked it a lot, and my little one as well. Paneer can be given to 8 months and above babies. Just ensure that you skip salt for them. And for kids, you can give it anytime. Make it for their snack box. Make it for their evening snack. This is good when it is fresh. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on that like button, comment, and let me know if you make this, and share this video with your friends and help us grow. And I'm on a mission of reaching 20,000 subscribers soon. Help me on that, people, and subscribe to our channel. We'll ensure that we give you a lot of good content and good recipes. So see you until next video. Take care. Bye bye.